Primarily I bought this controller to use with my Switch, well, Switch 2, but it's also compatible with the original Switch OLED, PC, iOS and Android. So basically this controller can control a lot of devices for you because it's a alternative to the official Nintendo Switch 2 controller, but it has all of the same features, including that all-important wake up from sleep mode that a lot of third-party controllers don't have. You got a charging cable, USB-C, little box here. So it's got some stickers here that you can use to personalize the controller. Got a spare blank faceplate, because this also features interchangeable faceplates. So on here you've got the instructions just to very quickly get you started, get you paired up. It specifically gives you instructions into how to activate the wake up from sleep function of the controller for your Switch 2. So you can see it's an exceptionally quality controller. It's not your cheap rubbish. It's got a nice feel to it, a nice heft, solid heft to it, which is a sign of a quality controller. That heft is coming from the HD rumble motors that are inside the controller. Yes, this is HD rumble compatible. So in order to just turn on the controller, we'll just press this button down here, which, although you can't quite see it, it's got the home function on there. So as you can see, it's got LED light functions as well, which are personalizable. You can change them to different modes, different settings. You can also turn it off if it's not your thing. So just a very quick rundown of the buttons that you've got on here. You don't need me to tell you the face buttons, but there's specific buttons to this particular model. So you've got the home button, you've got the chat button, as you do on the official Nintendo Switch 2 controllers. And this is the capture button for when you want to capture your screenshots or your videos on your Switch or Switch 2. Just very quickly show you how easy it is to swap out these faceplates here. So for any reason you don't like this particular swirly design, you got the blank one that comes with it. You can just slip that on there, nice and easy, and it just clips in using these little magnets here. Finally, to show you on the back, you've got some programmable paddle buttons at the back here. You've got a button here marked S and X, and that allows you to switch the control function of the controller from Switch to PC, Android, etc. And finally at the back, you've got this M button, which is your programmable button. So all in all, this is a really quality controller.